fact, my car can hold 13 mums in the trunk. Today is the first day of the bar mitzvah weekend that I am the party planner for. It's a travel theme, and I'm so excited to take you along so you can decorate with me. If you've never heard of a bar mitzvah or bat mitzvah, it's a coming of age ceremony for 13-year-olds in the Jewish church. Bar is for boys, meaning son. Bat is for girls, meaning daughter. And there's a bunch of celebrations all weekend long, starting with a Friday night Shabbat dinner, then a kiddush luncheon on Saturday, and then a huge party Saturday night and a Sunday brunch. So these are just Dollar Tree frames that I took a map and like cut them to be in the back, that I can, write on them with dry erase marker to say what's on the menu or any directions for anything. And then these are Solomon's programs. Aren't those so cute? I love that. And these are the luggage tags that are going to be the favor on all of the adults' plates. It is Friday, which means the Shabbat dinner is tonight. So that's how a bar mitzvah works. It's like the Shabbat dinner is Friday. It's kind of like a wedding, like the rehearsal dinner on a Friday. It's the Shabbat dinner. Then the ceremony's tomorrow morning at 9. Then there's a huge luncheon afterwards, sort of like a brunch lunch called the kiddush. And then there's a reception at night where there's dancing, really good food. There's gonna be different food stations, and that's kind of the place where we really go all out. But I've got to get to the synagogue. There's a lot I have to do before the Shabbat tonight. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you click that red subscribe button and join the channel, because I do mom vlogs, but lots of decorating and cleaning motivation videos, and I'm just excited to kind of do something a little bit different with you today on my channel. As you watch today, let me know how you like the decor in the comments, and if you like Decorate With Me videos on my channel, click the thumbs up so that I know. So for the kiddush luncheon, we wanted the tables to just have white mum centerpieces so that it was fresh and simple, and the real decor will go out for the big party Saturday night. I'm at the synagogue where the Shabbat dinner will be later tonight. I set up for all of this yesterday and I forgot my camera. I'm sorry, but there will be tons more. You're gonna see me decorate. I just kind of wanted to show you so you get an idea. I found these suitcases and globes on Amazon. Same thing, these like blue wine bottles, and I just put some like sparkly baby's breath in them. And Solomon's big thing is he loves just being like eco-friendly. That's kind of why he wanted to do like a worldly theme too. But I made sure all of the utensils and plates and even the cups, I think you can see it on there, they're all biodegradable materials. So I thought that was really, really cool of him to do. And these two long tables will be two different buffets for the kiddush, which is like the brunch after the bar mitzvah ceremony. But I found these really cool map table runners on Amazon. And then that center table will be all of the sweets and dessert. So humid outside today. I'm making a spur of the moment change because the garden center out here had these like really pretty blooming mums. So I took out the baby's breath of the wine bottle and I put those in it instead. I feel like that just looks like fresher and cuter. So I'm gonna change it up. And I hope seeing this gives you lots of decorating inspo and ideas in case you're doing a travel themed party, because I feel like the travel theme is so classy and cute for showers, weddings, birthdays, or if you're having a going away party for someone. So I hope you get lots of ideas in today's Decorate With Me video. I just wanted to share because these are such beautiful yarmulkes, and they're made by this organization. And where's the information? Right here. And their proceeds, it helps to go to support women in Uganda for water. So I thought that was really, really cool. And I got these stickers from Michael's, and to go with the travel theme, I just put them over map scrapbook paper and picture frames, and it's a really cool way to decorate and stay on theme. And I really didn't want the decor for this party to feel super matchy-matchy because I feel like travel is something eclectic and there's so many different cultures. So I wanted the decor to reflect that and feel like it was collected from all over. So I really enjoyed the process of getting the decor for this travel-themed bar mitzvah party. And Solomon's friends call him Solly, so we decided that Solly's mitzvah was the hashtag for this event. I got this idea from Pinterest that instead of a guest book to have a guest globe. So I found metallic Sharpies and all of the guests signed this bronze colored globe. I got this on Amazon and it turned out so cool. Definitely consider doing this as a guest book alternative. I feel like it would be so cute to display in your home or your office. I also got the idea from Pinterest to make a sign that said in-flight snacks for the candy bar table, since that was one of the stations we planned that was going to have goodie bags for Saturday night's party. So here are the decorations for the Shabbat dinner on Friday. This again is the dinner that's for the family and friends who are in from out of town, sort of similar to a wedding rehearsal dinner. So it's on theme, but just not as decked out as it will be for tomorrow night's big party.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand.
All right, it's the big day, the morning of the main event. I got to the synagogue early to change over the Shabbat tables to the rest of the Kiddush tables. And a huge shout out to Frank, the maintenance manager at Shari Tikva Synagogue, because he is so helpful in making these events go off without a hitch. I worked with him 3 years ago at Ruby's bat mitzvah. And just a huge thank you to the Cover family who all pitched in to help put some decorations together for the weekend. Your help was so appreciated. And I got these chalk labels on Amazon for the buffet foods, but I will warn you, they do not erase. They did send extra stickers that you could use to reuse them once, but just an FYI if you are going to order these. And Seth, the chef from Cantina, was a huge help in making this event amazing. The food was delicious. I'd highly recommend if you're looking for someone to cater an event in the Cleveland area, because I loved his idea of adding these boxes under the tablecloths too, so that the food was served at different heights. I feel like it really enhanced the buffet table, and I will totally be using this technique again in future parties. It was just a really pretty presentation. So here's the setup for the Kiddush luncheon. Again, we added some decor just so that it was on theme for the weekend, and the real decorations come out later tonight. I keep teasing that, keep watching. we made it to the kiddish. They're just about to let people in, and it's kind of like right now I just have to make sure everything gets refilled. It's like plates, utensils, that kind of stuff starts to run low, but I've like got all my extra stuff here. And then once the crowd clears out in probably like 2-ish hours, we'll start setting up for the big reception tonight, and that's when like the really cool decor comes out. Husband of the year arrived. Show them what you're working on.
Specialty. Crafts.
All right, it is time to set up for the main event, and a huge thank you to all of the staff who helped me set up. I really appreciate it. I could not do this alone, so thank you.
Putting things on the side, what do you have in mind? She's awake all the time, what are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground, all I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions.
So for the kids' tables, Solomon wanted to give out drawstring book bags, and for the adults' tables, every person got a luggage tag as a favor. I thought that was a pretty cool favor. The decorations are almost done. The last thing I have to work on is putting together the candy bar, which I sort of staged, I think, how I'm gonna fill it up, but it's a blank slate right now, so you'll kind of get to see the start to finish process of putting this together.
I put my heart on the line through our phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground, all I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
For the candy bar, I had these jars since our wedding. I'd ordered some online, others I just had repurposed from food containers so that there's a bunch of different sizes and heights. And then I ordered candy in bulk, in this case kosher candy, and Solomon wanted all blue. So I got these really cool blue twinkle lights on Amazon, and I feel like those really did enhance the look of the table so much. So I would say if you're doing a particular color for your party or candy bar, see if there are twinkle lights in that color, and it will make it look so much more magical. Here is the finished candy bar. Adam already wants it.
I am definitely messing that up at least a little bit before the
I see those hungry eyes. The extras are under the table.
That blue raspberry licorice getting taken advantage of.
All right, so here's how all of the decorating turned out. Let me know if you like it in the comments. I just loved decorating for this event. The travel theme was so fun, in between all of the different food stations that were so delicious and the different cultures. I just loved all the different cultural elements. And the DJ brought blue uplighting, which was perfect for making the big party at night feel really cool. Which, by the way, Rock the House is the DJ, and if you are in the Cleveland area, they had everyone dancing the entire night. It was amazing. I would highly recommend them.
That is such a good ride. What we call life, it can't Yeah, we keep on dancing to the beat, and we keep on moving our feet. We keep on dancing, keep on loving, keep on making it real. We keep on moving, keep on loving, keep on making it real. Press play, you'll be there in a second.
Babe.
I am here, and I can
Making sure it's not poison.
I'm the song, the beat, the end. We've all been dreaming of this moment. We're charged, we're ready to relive this again. It's time to show the way. So we keep on dancing to the beat.
Good handiwork, Adam and Chevy.
And we keep on moving our feet. Yeah, we keep on dancing to the beat.
And just a huge thank you to Solomon, the bar mitzvah, and his parents Laura and Avi, and his sister Ruby. You're just such a joy to work with on planning this event. It means so much that I could plan this event for your family. Congratulations, Mazel Tov. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this Decorate With Me video. And if you've never heard of a bar mitzvah, that you learned a little bit. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Yeah,